Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning, productivity, organization, and managing money. If that interests you, then make sure that you click that subscribe button, as I would love for you to be a part of our little family. Today's video is going to be a plan with me in my classic Happy Planner. This is the hourly planner, and it is the watercolor, what is done in love is done well planner. So I always get that question. That's why I like to start it off with that. And I have added a folder in the front, and y'all have seen this planner for quite many times, but this is my monthly spread, which you know I am a very functional planner, so I have only used pen on that, and then I have minimum stickers that I use throughout. So really quickly, I'm just showing you a quick flip through of what I have been doing in my planner. I have been using highlighters, my black pen, my red pen, and some stickers. But I think this week I'm just going to use just my black pen and a couple of stickers. Just trying different things out to see how I like them. So we are currently planning the week of the 18th through the 24th. I do have some stickers on this side. These are some wash stickers that I have. These are from my shop. I also have some old stickers from Sweet Bean Plans. This was a freebie that she had. These are from Planner Choco. I think that's how you say it. And I also have some from Michael's. And I think that's all I have over here so far. I might pull some other ones as we kind of go on, but this is all that I have so far. I believe that I'm going to use a pink color for this week. I am just still in a pink mood, so that's what we're going to use this week. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have added all of the stickers. I switched it up and used this kit from Sweet Bean Plans. I only used a couple of stickers from here. This week's stickers, these glitter stickers, some box stickers, and the planning time. I also used the day off and the payday stickers. These are from Michael's, the Michael's sticker that I purchased. They are just in the little sticker section. I think they're recollections. And this one was from this August freebie that I received from Planner Choco. And that's all the stickers that I'm going to use for this week. Now I'm going to go in with my pen and just write everything in that I have coming up this week. Okay, this is my final spread. I've written down pretty much everything that I have going on so far. This week I am currently studying, doing some training for my financial coaching. So that's the only thing that I'm going to be reading this week is all of my training material. On Monday, today is my day off. I have my Plan With Me video, which I am filming right now. That's gonna go up a little bit later today. I'm also doing laundry around the house, and you know, I have some time on Monday that I film. Monday is a big film day for me because it's the only day that I am off during the week. At 2 o'clock, I'm going to stop and do some study work for my financial coaching training. I have a client meeting at 5 p.m. and then I am teaching a class tonight on how to use video to promote your business. So that's going to be tonight at All Access Foundation, which is a nonprofit organization that I am a part of. On tomorrow, I do have to go to the bank in the morning, and then I have an Instagram Money Minute video coming out. And then I have 2 client meetings and an orientation that I have to go to on Tuesday evening. Wednesday is my Budget With Me video, along with the client meeting at 12, and then I have church that evening. I have Bible study. On Thursday, I have a finance meeting at 8, and then staff meeting. And then I do have a couple of other things that I have to work on for work, but I wanted to solidify everything before I wrote anything else down. On Friday, I have a video on debt repayment strategies. There's different strategies that you can use to pay off debt. And then I have an event on Friday evening that's at church. On Saturday, I have the rental of a facility that I have to go to, and then I am speaking at a Purpose and Vision event that's going to be here in New Orleans, so I'm really excited about that. And on Sunday, I have church, and then I stop and plan. I have planning time, but it's like planning as far as for next week, as far as for my content, work. It's like an overall planning session that I do along with my weekly reset, which I do that every single Sunday also. So that is it for my complete spread. As you know, I have been very functional lately, but I did a poll and y'all seem to really enjoy the functional plan with me's, even though there isn't a bunch of stickers and everything to it. It's mostly just my pen and my planner. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye.